I'm still on the Learn Python programming series. Today we're going to be looking at sets. Now, in your mathematics class, you know that a set is well-defined collections of distinct objects. Now, what does that mean? It means that a set contains distinct objects, right? We all know that, Vic. So let's go ahead and create a set. Num is equal to num. So we're just creating a basic set. So you use the curly braces or curly mustaches to create a new set. So we can have a list of numbers here. Okay, for some reason I'm going to be repeating 1, 2, and 3, and then we should just go ahead and print out num to the screen. And what we customly do in every new data type in Python, we print the type of the data. So I'm just going to be giving that type of num. So if I run that, basically we should be seeing we're having the set printed out to the screen, but we're not getting the repetitive items. We have 1 to 10 as expected from here to here, but this 1 to 3 is basically ignored. So that's something to know, that a set doesn't store multiple values. So when can I use the set data type, Victor? Okay, you can use the set data type when you want to store values in your program, like values you don't want to be repetitive or you don't want to be repeated, maybe distinct values that are actually unique in your program. So I actually talked about other different data types like dictionaries, we know tuples and lists, and I said lists can be used when you want to store values that actually you want to change throughout your program, like you want to perform different operations in your program, and tuples actually for storing values you really don't want to change during your program. Dictionary is used for storing key and value pairs and so on. So sets are used for storing distinct value. That's basically what I understand about sets. So we're just going to do a little bit of stuff here. So how do you create an empty set? You can just create an empty set by saying the words, right? Typing out the word set with parentheses. This creates a new set for you. So if you come down here, this is creating the basic set. So there are operations on set which you can perform. So you can just say num.add. We can add a number or a string. You can just do num.add again. So this time around we just add something else too, and we're just going to do num.add, and we're just going to add another number. So if I run this, okay, before we run that, let's just go ahead and print num out to the screen. So once I run this, you'll notice that I'm having 1 to 3 here. So that's not something to be worried about. It's great. And basic things you can do, there are other operations you can perform on sets. So I'm just going to create a universal set here, which is going to contain numbers which are from 1 to 10. Okay, so we'll come down here and I'll just create a subsection. Maybe I'll just say num1, no, just num is equal to, I'm just going to give 1 to 5, and then I'm just going to give another num, let's say underscore num. This is a very bad variable name, but let's just use that. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if I come down here, I have a basic operations I can perform. So let's just say these are the operations possible. This is a variable name, so we can say num dot is superset, or let's say sub is subset, just like in your math classes. So universal. Now what this does, it checks if num is a subset of universal. That is, if num is contained in what? The universal set, and in this case it's true. So if we go ahead and come down here and just print operations, if I F5 on that, you see it just returns a true. Now if I give num that is subset underscore num, or no underscore num, you can see underscore num is actually a variable which contains 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It doesn't contain num1, so this is basically false. As you can see, it's false. So yeah, so there are many other operations which you can research more about. Let's just do one more. So we'll just say num.union underscore num. These are really bad variable names, but I couldn't really think about any other thing. So you can see the union just creates a union of the set, and yeah, I'm guessing it that section 2 should be there. So to Z intersection, hopefully. Okay, so we can just see it has no intersection. I guess that is the right way. So where do you go if you want to get more of these function types? You can just come to your for this idle, I'm not knowing why it's not actually giving me IntelliSense. But if you come over to this side and you create a set, maybe num1 is equal to, and then you create a set, and then you just say num1 and you press dot. It's going to bring up some options, and as you can see, we have a lot of them: update union, symmetric difference, remove pop, even intersection, and so on. So that's just basically where you can find more of these functions. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, basically just leave a sub. Thanks guys.